See? Now it's on, so it's on real time.
Welcome to our 3-week renovation. And we have the kitchen completely painted. Gianni countertop paint. We've got new vinyl flooring.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I've got floor 1 and floor 2. When I did that,
Clean appliances.
Showed on floor 2 a mystery
Clean
space.
shelves.
There's about a 7-foot by 10 or 12
Heading into the new living room with the new gray plank vinyl flooring. All new electrical outlets. Beautiful window. My neighbors. And then back looking into the kitchen. Let's head this way. Let's head down the hallway from the kitchen. That would be the basement. New plank flooring into the bathroom with new flooring, a new toilet, nice pedestal sink, new light fixture, and an old tub. We'll work on that. Okay. Love the flooring, looking really good. Here we are in the new laundry room. Washer and dryer. Nice clean windows. All new fresh paint. Closet. And then, as we head this way into the master bedroom, all new plank flooring, all new electrical outlets, painted closet, new light fixture, which I won't show because it'll probably blind us, all new electrical, all new doorknobs. And let's head upstairs because there's 2 bedrooms up there. Okay, stairwell has all been painted, and up we go. Heading up the stairs, and here we are, brand new carpeting. Brand new carpeting. This is office number 1. Brand new ceiling fan. Wireless router. All new fresh paint. Nice closet. Got another closet over there. Love these coped ceilings. Aren't those awesome? Okay. Down the hall to the other office. This is a little nook at the top of the stairs. And then the other office. Brand new carpeting. New ceiling fan. All fresh paint. I don't know, you probably can't even see this stuff, but whatever. And closet. And then we're out. Back downstairs. Well, let's turn off the lights. We don't want to, pay the power company too much. And then back downstairs. And that's the front door. And once again at that lovely flooring we put in. And much thanks to Kevin Dye of Dye Painting for all his hard work and help with making this come together in about 3 weeks. Nice shelving in the kitchen. Outdoors. New floor. Oh, new light fixtures too. In every room. There's the new light fixture in there. So there you have it. our renovation in 3 weeks. Renters are moving in tomorrow. Amen.